Hey everyone, we're here at IGA in Hackett with IGA liquor. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here. Yeah, we have a buffalo trident, I believe. The PS sitting right there. Yep, there's another buffalo trident right there. So that's an older one compared to this one. So this used to be a set of, so there are still two units here, as you can see. But however, instead of the one that was here before, this one had two units. So this used to be, you had two fans. These had two fans on it, and there were two fans on this one, which is the original one right here. So there used to be four of them in here. But now, with the new unit the second new unit having a third one, it looks like in general there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Goodbye.